Hello everyone. Today we will compare Adobe Express and Canva to see which one is the better design tool for your needs. Both platforms are widely used for creating graphics, social media posts, presentations and more. While they share many features, there are some key differences in pricing, tools and usability. Adobe Express is part of the Adobe ecosystem and offers a range of features designed for both personal and business use. It includes templates, stock assets, AI tools, and advanced design capabilities. The paid plan costs $9.99 per month, with a discount if you pay annually. It includes 250 generative AI credits per month, 200 million Adobe stock assets, over 30,000 fonts, and 100 GB of cloud storage. It also provides content scheduling for 3 social accounts and advanced editing tools like background removal and animation. The free plan includes basic tools but does not provide access to premium templates and stock assets. Canva is known for its simplicity and user-friendly interface. It also offers a free plan with basic features and a premium plan called Canva Pro. The Pro plan costs $6.50 per month for one person and includes unlimited premium templates, over 100 million stock assets, AI-powered design tools, background removal, and 1 terabyte of cloud storage. It also provides tools for brand management, social media scheduling, and quick resizing. Both platforms allow users to create high-quality designs without requiring professional design skills. They offer drag-and-drop interfaces, making it easy to customize templates and add elements to projects. However, Adobe Express has a stronger connection to the Adobe ecosystem, which means it integrates better with other Adobe software like Photoshop and Illustrator. On the other hand, Canva is more focused on ease of use and provides a large number of templates that are ready to customize with minimal effort. When comparing stock assets, Adobe Express provides access to 200 million royalty-free Adobe stock photos, videos, music, and design elements. Canva offers over 100 million assets, including images, videos, and graphics. While both platforms provide a large variety of content, Adobe Express may have a slight advantage due to its access to Adobe stock, which is known for high-quality visuals. AI-powered tools are another important factor. Adobe Express includes 250 generative AI credits per month, which can be used for tasks like generating images and enhancing designs. Canva offers more than 20 AI tools, including Magic Resize, Magic Write for text generation, and AI-powered background removal. If AI tools are important for your workflow, both platforms provide strong options, but Canva's AI features are more focused on streamlining the design process. For branding and business use, both platforms offer brand kits to maintain consistency across designs. Adobe Express includes brand kits with its premium plan, allowing users to store logos, fonts, and colors for easy access. Canva Pro provides up to 1,000 brand kits, making it a better choice for businesses that manage multiple brands or projects. Content scheduling is available in both Adobe Express and Canva. Adobe Express allows users to schedule posts for 3 accounts per social network. Canva's scheduling tool is included in the Pro plan and supports multiple platforms. If you need a tool for managing social media content, both platforms offer similar functionality. Storage capacity is another difference. Adobe Express provides 100 GB of cloud storage, while Canva Pro offers 1 terabyte. If you work with a large number of files, Canva may be the better choice due to its higher storage limit. Choosing between Adobe Express and Canva depends on your needs. If you want deeper integration with Adobe products and access to high-quality Adobe stock assets, Adobe Express may be the right choice. If you're looking for an easy-to-use tool with a large number of templates, AI-powered design tools, and a lower subscription cost, Canva Pro is a great option. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.